Hey guys, how are you all doing? Hope you're all good. Happy? Yes, Zepto is giving Zepto Pass. Do check out. This is for everyone. I'll show you how. And you can get this pass at just 19 rupees. As you see in the picture, go to Zepto app. You click on the profile icon as shown in the picture. After clicking on that, you click on Zepto Pass. And once you click on Zepto Pass, you will see here what are the benefits you're getting at just 19 rupees. You have unlimited free deliveries for the orders above 99 rupees, and you have 20% extra discount or the offer available for orders above 399 rupees, and you can save minimum 299 rupees per month. Now click on get pass at just 19 rupees. After you click, you will see this type of screen appearing before you. Here it's showing me as Amazon Pay because that was my last payment mode. You can click on other options or more options, and you have online payment modes available. You can choose any of the payment modes. After you choose the payment mode, you can click on proceed to pay. That's it, done. Your payment is made, and you have here the congratulations note of Zepto Pass with benefits. You can scroll down and see. Okay, now start ordering now and get Zepto Cash. If you don't know how to order or what is Zepto Cash, you can watch my video. I'll provide the video in the I button and end screen if possible, or otherwise I'll give it in the description box. You can check out. If you've got Zepto Pass or the membership of Zepto, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day.